So we are much loved. So you see, that is why you don't have to depend on a man to love you. Because when man love fail, God's love is still there. Amen. Man love come and man love go. But God's love will always remain. Man's love is conditional. Him love you today, him not love you tomorrow. Him love you last week, him not love you this week. But God love you yesterday, today, and forevermore. You can't be lonely when you know God love you. When you're at home and there's nobody else there, lean back on Jesus. Tell him all the nice things you want, tell him. Because him not gonna leave you. When you not do what him say, him not gonna leave you. You talk about loneliness. You can't be lonely when you know God love you. You can't be lonely when you know God love you. Women, ladies, stop your foolishness about loneliness. God is there with you all the time, every time. A man will come today